Are you wondering if a condo is right for you? For some, owning a condo may be the perfect way to invest in property without the hassle of yard maintenance or working on major repairs. But condo living has its share of disadvantages as well. Buying a condo is a significant decision and it should be approached carefully. Hi, I'm Sheila Howell with Red Realty, and here are some advantages and disadvantages to consider when buying a condo. First, we're going to hit the advantages. There's flexible living. You know, a condo is perfect for buyers who are looking to downsize from their larger homes and to avoid spending so much time maintaining the property. Affordability is the next one. Condos can be more affordable than a single-family home, making them less intimidating, especially for first-time home buyers. And you know, they're often cheaper than renting an apartment. Cheaper insurance. So, you know, having a homeowner's insurance typically only covers the inside of the condo, while your monthly HOA fees, you know, typically cover the building's exterior. So therefore, your homeowner's insurance is less expensive. There's also a sense of community that comes with having a condo. Many condo complexes have shared spaces like party rooms, patios, gyms, pools, recreation facilities, which really foster that sense of community and offering opportunities to network with others. And around here, you wouldn't be surprised if there was a big OSU game going on and a lot of the homeowners are kind of gathered together watching it, which is, you know, a lot of fun, right? So, you know, the other thing is that it's a convenient location. Condos are often located around, you know, the downtown areas, which provide easy access to entertainment, dining, business districts. So, you know, if you're still working, that commute to work could be really simple. And then, of course, there's the maintenance free. You don't need to worry about yard work and exterior maintenance and repairs. These are typically covered, you know, by the building or the HOA. Security can also be a benefit of living in a condo. Some condos have secured entrances with surveillance, and sometimes they even have a door, I was going to say doorman, but you know, door person or security personnel. Now, we're going to talk about the disadvantages. So the disadvantage, of course, is, you know, what I hear the most about, and that's the HOA fees. So on top of your mortgage and property taxes, disadvantages of buying a condo. The HOA fees are the things I hear most common. So on top of your mortgage and your property taxes, condo owners pay a monthly HOA fee, and that's for the amenities and the maintenance. These fees can really vary pretty widely, and they can increase unexpectedly for major repairs. Another thing that could be a concern is the limited outdoor space. While it's nice to avoid the yard work, the lack of personal outdoor space can sometimes be a downside for some buyers. Lack of privacy. You know, they're kind of like apartments in some cases, where the condo may have a shared wall, which may lend to hearing your neighbor's TV or limited privacy. And this is a big one, pet restrictions. Condos can sometimes have rules and regulations against pets. So, you know, there might be restrictions on the size, the breed, the number, etc. So if you're a pet owner, you want to make sure that you review those policies before moving in. All right, one that I don't see a lot, but it can sometimes be a problem, is the limited parking. So parking can be an issue, especially downtown. You know, you may have one or two spaces. So, you know, not having a lot of space to park could be a problem. So, you know, just kind of think about that limited parking space when you're looking at your condos. So it's really important to work with a realtor who understands the advantages and disadvantages of condo living and will help you make the decision easier for you. If you have any questions or you want to explore condo options, I'm here to help you find that perfect home. Reach out to me at any time. Sheila Howell, Red Realty, simplifying your real estate journey.